So today we are going to learn about the interior structure of our Earth. As you all know that interior of the Earth having the core, mantle, crust, all these layers are present, and the scientists gave a huge data about the interior of the Earth. But actually from where they got the data? Because it is not possible that a person can dig up to 10, 20 or 50 kilometers area or 50-kilometer depth inside the Earth's surface and they can collect the data. So obviously this information the human being can't go directly inside of the Earth and they can't collect this kind of the data from the Earth. The radius of the Earth, if we will see, that is almost 6,370 kilometers, and no one can reach the center of the Earth and make the observation or collect the samples of the material. Under such condition, it is a wonder that how the scientists can tell us about the different data or different information about the interior of the Earth. Now this information they are obtaining by direct observation as well as analysis of the material, or we are saying indirect observation. Now today we are going to discuss about the direct sources of data. Basically the sources of the data are two types. One is the direct source of the data and another one is the indirect source of the data. Now the mostly available solid earth material is surface rock or the rock that we get from the mining areas. Generally if we will dig the mining area, we will go inside the mine. So obviously with the change of the kilometers or with the change of the depth, our temperature will be changed. With the temperature, the density also will be changed. There is an example, that is the gold mine of South Africa, which depth is 3 to 4 kilometers. Like it is the deepest gold mine of the world, and going beyond of this depth is not possible because of the very high temperature. Now from after this, the scientists have done some amount of the research work also. The scientists have taken up the number of the project work, that is the drilling project in the ocean beds, the example deep ocean drilling project and integrated ocean drilling project. Now the deepest drill at Kola in the Arctic Ocean, they have reached up to the depth of the 12 kilometers, and by this ocean drilling project or the mining areas, they got the information about the interior of the Earth. Directly they got the information, that's why this is called the direct sources of data. Now the next direct sources of the data is the volcanic eruption. Now volcanic eruption is another source of the obtaining the direct information. As the molten magma, when it is come outside from interior of the Earth, with that magma, actually this is the molten rocks and the metals. Now after the volcanic eruption, the scientists took these parts for the laboratory analysis and they get the information about the interior. But this is difficult to find out the depth of the source of such magma. But without this, the other informations they can collect. So volcanic eruption, integrated ocean drilling projects, and as well as the mining areas are the example of the direct sources of information about the interior of the Earth.